so me have dog in my house. You see me with my dog. You want bad mind me for my blood clot dog. So good woman. You say me brown husband don't blood clot. You say my husband don't want. So my husband don't want me. Man face dirty woman. Woman, yeah, your baby alligator them need to go fight. Care about the alligator them in the blood clot pants so the big alligator can't eat them and you go back at the zoo. Dirty, stinking, nasty blood clot, woman, you are no match to me. In your house is so spooky. And on Halloween time, you lady go and go take them the light blood clot fixtures them and go put them in some water and we call it, go wash them. Well, are the sister, you sit down and you don't say nothing. Big blood clot, Batman blood clot, Keke. So, make a tag him. Hold on. I have to tag him. Somebody's when him key. Alright, yeah, me tag it. I tag it right there, Keke bagger. You blood clot, big brown box, Keke. Keke, you know, see all your big. Yes. I'll be calling to hi. Big dirty blood clot brown box Keke. Keke, why you have to bring your big dirty hard blood clot back? Keke, you want to soak with some vinegar and blood clot rusty nail. Keke, you dog girly. Every blood clot here, you have plastic on your head like rain always a fall. I wonder why your blood clot idol is dirty chinks. Amaria, your blood clot island. Keke, your big and hard no blood clot. Keke, you look like when we chew salt and bumbo blood clot. Come talk about rubber about me. No, the only blood clot in your rubber to your body wall. Keke, you know see when you're up on your head or your body wall look like a blood clot annual tunnel. I could have swear to God you come American thief with blood clot tunnel. Keke, you say you're there California, you see when you reach a New York, I miss a blood clot daytime and location, pussy. Me say daytime and blood clot location. So as you're there California, come a blood clot New York and you go get Uber. But walk up my blood clot, cutlass in your car, cutlass is a bigger charge than blood clot gun, pussy wall. Yeah, you look so good blood clot here. Yeah, man. Yes, Mr. Evans saying at the house, Mr. Evans, I get tongue, I say, la, I don't know about blood clot, Keke, we attack. You can't show your blood clot, man, you mad me. Puss, me nah word for Puss right now. Puss, you alright.
Sister,
Dirty Susie Q, leaky, somewhat, so Susie Q from blood clot, Florida. Anytime you're in New York, give me a check. Come here, go kick out your blood clot face, mental facility, blood clot, girl. Yeah, come off of my thing. Oh, and if we California and there. Oh, I'm over Mexico, California. Oh, to blood clot because guess what? The head take me and my friend never jump in our car and drive. 1 week a 3 we are drive. The 3 when we but the 3 hard we don't give a fuck. We can just drive. Blood clot, boy. Sister after last time because of Destiny, we go up on the page. So Destiny said, Fretdem, this look a blood clot, hard, big back blood clot, boy. We full up a blood clot shit. You know, see all your big and shape like a barrel. Shit full up your blood clot body, Keke. Keke, you stink no blood clot. Boy, we are take good can't talk to me. Me have real show no. I swear to blood clot, God, you not really say, yo, Fretdem really gone. When you lucky the man just watch the blood clot door.
Puss live today I say, oh me in a Susie inbox.
You know in a crooked inbox. Cause you there too far. Susie Q is my problem. Susie Q there Florida. And I'm one when she come to New York, she talk to me. Anytime I go to Florida, Susie, I fought like you mean I stop on down your blood clot. Cause you said me and my cutlass no leave. Me and my cutlass are twin. Ask my mother if I told her come out her vagina and she said nope. She said, you and your cutlass is different. Anytime you can Susie Q, me chop up your blood clot. Keiko, call the blood clot FBI and the FBI come suck out my pussy. You feel like the friend of FBI? When you forgot to send them already? Send them, remember how many years now me have your blood clot, Keiko around though. Me have your pan nothing at all, also me have baby pan porn side. So if we do all of that, Keiko, why you can't report with? Cause you know so you're a liar, no blood clot. Keiko, your jaws put Keiko, your generation dead. Keiko, you're 48 years old. So Keiko, you're 48 years old. Your egg them drop, no blood clot. That's how you see Tanya push out, baby, you get vexed. Move your dirty blood clot. Yeah? Move your bumbo clot. Keiko, you didn't have your chance. Keiko, when you came to New York in 1990, in 2018, and I called you to be like, yo, bitch, what's your location? You gonna say you on Parson Boulevard. Bitch, Parson Boulevard and what? Parson Boulevard is the whole fucking strip, bitch. You lucky that fucking phone screen is broken, but I can't go in here and get the fucking recording.
Yeah.
You're a bad girl. You're a bad girl. You have a blood clot time and you come talk about, oh, you knew we was at a party. Bitch, me never tell me I come at a blood clot party. If you didn't tell me the party, then I come mash up your blood clot face.
I don't know why Susie comes on about
dirty blood clot, Susie Q. Susie Q with infection full of your dirty blood clot pussy. Man, they even want you have to come for life and push buckle in your dirty blood clot pussy. Dirty blood clot pussy. Hey, Susie Q, your pussy I give it for free and the man don't want it. Somebody tag her. What she did name again? At Suzie. Susie.
I'm take her off of my page now.
She lucky me can't find this mad blood clot bitch.
Me
me go for rub out her blood clot. Susie. And what's she name, Storm? Susie blood clot something. Cocaine blood clot, Susie. What she have and be a plastic pan her blood clot head to like it always a rain. You can't come talk to good girl. You can't come talk to blood clot, good girl. Me tell you that you know a beat to one beat out to no blood clot. All I know for line up in a line, no. Petal, last time I see you in a blood clot, when you call the party, then I come stand up next to you. And because of that, when you don't get it that night, then I swear to God. Because once me walking at the party, my head start take me and I go come stand up right next to Petal. And I swear to God, I dance and Fretdem, we can't do it in another party. And I don't give a blood clot because guess what? We ain't good as team niece. That my God, that I wouldn't give a bumper blood clot because I know Dan bring me there. They go there all the time by myself. And all you Tanya, me no stop blood clot, look flat bush here, no Tanya, you think I want to blood clot, I play with Fretdem. Every time I do a flat bush, me I look left, right, and center. Me head as I move like a blood clot eagle. Because one I know I forget something. Remember me tell you that. One sister.
I don't know. Just come talk and make Susie know herself. Me not trouble her. And me not want to.
Susie go suck her mother. She know you never trouble her. Just like how she dip on your blood clot page and the last time she come over there, she could have come. She know you not trouble her. The cocaine blood clot, ugly bitch, pancake, bomber clot, 14-inch tire blood clot, fierce girl. G&G, patrol, coronation market, blood clot all. I'm about to skin out and broad out like she take off in a blood clot win. I look like some flitters in some coal island, one of them gala man. Hey, me say me want son one out in a nice Sunday morning blood clot strain. I say watch me out uno. Watch me, I want to have to find one out no blood clot. Remember me tell you that. Oh tired and bright. So good, Susie Q. Yeah, yo, you think me never have no time for Puss? Puss alright. Puss blood clot, alright. Suck a ball of Puss. Alright. Big dirty stinking suckled gorilla.
When Puss talk, Puss for have proof. To back up our lies them when she come by here can tell for me.
We don't care what lie them want to. We want to know Puss suck your mother. Oh, you don't have a mother. Go suck your father.
Oh, yeah, Shabash in a Susie, in back Shabash to Susie. Me.
Like, but Susie, for nobody. Let me tell you, it take about blood clot. Leave your right at 12 o'clock tonight. Literally 12 o'clock tonight, Tanya. Me I reach Florida after 5 in the morning or after 4. So Susie, alright. Susie, you're not a bad girl. You're not a bad girl. Susie, me I tell you, you can't come back up on Dr. Love page. Me a blood clot tell you that, bitch. Anytime you come on Dr. Love page and me find out they come over there, come rub out your blood clot. Oh, tired and bright. Stinking.
So them still.
Sister, what the so good ear put us say now? What the ear put us say? Because you look like me if you go plant a banana tree in my blood clot yard.
Woman sick now, sister. Sunday when me do the live, me need to talk about immigration. You know, me touch a topic with immigration.
Yeah.
Immigration, something should over there talk. So me I say, as me come out and talk about immigration in the UK, she a come out and talk about immigration with America and buying and this and that and a true one. You know she still a true one.
She don't have no sense. The woman says she a blood clot nurse and she work in a look at that. She work in a men in a way, wherever you want to call it. And she could have never come out and say, people, she can't give you no health tips, nothing about COVID. Lady, you don't work nowhere. Lady, you're the only nurse who seen a hard blood clot and you look like say you're retarded. You got something got to be wrong with this dumb bitch. I mean, I answer no so good again. You say me can't fly, you're right about that. I'm like a bird, bitch, travel, bitch. Bitch, we travel. So guess what, bitch? When the border open up, then you talk to it. Remember you say your sister go get involved. Where she there? Where the blood clot today? When you don't come cross over the border. Drive your blood clot porch and make me get for Tanya in a blood clot roach over this. Come here, go get Jew and get Jews, license gun and bust 2 shots in your blood clot.
And that she over there act she know about immigration.
She don't know nothing. All she do, she get up on Google.
And I go like she know about it. But here I know. She talk about Savage Carly.
Me know.
Talk about why Savage Carly.
Yeah.
Why Savage Carly never. Why Savage Carly never want to move is because the house the house that Savage Carly gets. Fuck up.
That's a fucking lie. The girl just didn't want to move. She told the girl and said she a punk. She just said
she move, she gonna get the same cheap house. Bitch.
Exactly, because remember
talk about English. And them a move her exactly. You understand? The woman does a go.
First of all, like remember, she don't know what she a talk about. If the woman can go, she bring up her receipt to say 1 hour blood clot for photo Jane and blood clot Finch, dirty whore. So could Jane and Finch, and you so gaggle bars like a blood clot dog. You want to come argue with blood clot people. You can't argue with you, man. I mean, I argue with you after today. 10 after today, I not argue with none of them.
No, I'm not arguing with them.
This is it. We're going to be like Michael blood clot Jackson.
Yeah, I threw me here say Keiko over there. I say so good Keiko. Hey!
Me just can't wait.
Amanda
enter my niece come from our little vacation. Tell me if she send me
over there class up Amanda.
She can't class up Amanda. Amanda pussy tight. Blood clot. I have class up Amanda pussy under her leg. Girl, for them pussy a blue book and them body a visa can't blood clot talk to nobody. Keiko, you say you're a married woman and you send your pussy to a married blood clot man. And that's why them, that's why them girl did hate me. Because them say, oh, she wants on her man.
You know why Keiko hate Amanda? Through Amanda come out and talk. The man, when he rate the 14-year-old and Keiko be the man live in a Keiko house.
Yes! Me know
Keiko retarded daughter.
Yeah! And I fuck up Keiko daughter when she not dead and I push hood in her blood clot mouth. Yeah, so that's tell the police. Yes, and tell you the house where she get, them will have the blood clot house. Will them will have the house, you know. And me say the girl you get the house take away for $98 blood clot $. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Keiko, you need some furniture in your blood clot house. Stop sniff up blood clot coke and use your retarded blood clot.
You want but have a lingerie.
Yeah, we have blood clot square back. Tanya, me say me not lie. When time I see all the girl blood clot shape, me not lie, people. The girl Keiko back shape like the blood clot table. Keiko back big and flat. Yes, shape like we center table. Yeah, so girl can't talk to me. Girl face and rank and stink no blood clot.
Keiko, are you started? Are you fuck with Amanda? And Amanda pay $150 blood clot pound. Lift up your blood clot nasty life.
Yeah, stop. You don't
skin out your pussy.
For free. Cousin Gwan. Then me I go get them for blood clot free. Yeah. We are going to put your dirty pussy outside, your pig foot pussy.
Keiko, me come. Come remember, you know, she get pay feet, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. She get what? I think a $20 hour. For she one can go on. So no me go come like say me is a man. I get one of my man friend them.
And we
So
are
when
going
you
to
are
video it.
one, yeah.
Don't worry, Keiko, you dirty, ugly pussy. Keiko, you're dog shit. Remember when you come to New York, you said there wasn't no match to me. I remember you, Mystical, and Blood Clot, when the other bus up, bleach up, Blood Clot, girl, when you, Ian Cavalli, so when you go beat
Yeah.
me. People, you want to see the girl, them two, three big bitches that could have just won me and swing me like a Blood Clot popular, but them know so no cure my mag, I'm strong, no Blood Clot. Them know better. Them know better. Them Blood Clot know better.
Keiko, I got to eat. Me know that you carry
that's
feeling
it.
for.
Hey. Remember, you the pound thing I dig up your little dirty pussy. Me never see a pussy so ugly. Pussy laid. The pussy stretch out. He come like down a coronation market. And man net you. Keiko, you not no pussy wall. When the man your pussy you. How could you be a blood clot married woman and they on Pornhub? This is why on a blood clot hate me. Because guess what? My husband know from day one say my mouth nasty no blood clot, but he know saying pussy lock safe and secure. Nobody now see it.
Talk truth now.
Oh, trust me. Rally no say Tanya more dirty, nasty and blood clot thing, but no cocky now go in there now pussy now go nowhere. That husband know that. Say she and the blood clot her mouth is
If the girl is sexy,
sexy. The girl not a blood clot sexy. Me say the girl. She what you call it, football player. Football blood clot player, big shelter blood clot back Keiko. You can't come chat to nobody, boy. Yeah? In germs bucket. Why you do it, John Crow? Why did you fucking do it?
Don't even look, you know. I don't know what Keiko, you know, sexy for the on them place there.
Yeah, no. But that's why she don't work. And that's why when she talk about she work. Y'all dey pan porn over skin out her dirty pussy. And then you want to come. Yeah, that's why she always hate me. And I wonder, say, yo, oh, she a skin out for her pussy from Southfish and make shingle and she can't make no money.
Where you say, Lush? Puss over there, I play one man to her pum pum. She and you go.
We not care. Hello. Puss not have the pum pum. That they sitting there beat and stretch out. That a coronation market she have on her. So tell Puss to lift up.
She need to go cut up the salad out her pussy.
And you have a man. That's right. We are wife with blood clot ring. You see, when you own a man, me no want the girl come say them a wife and can't show them marriage certificate. Can't show a blood clot ring. Fuck a ring because anybody can buy a ring. Show me your marriage certificate. Show me your married blood clot picture because me can't show mine them any day.
Talk
them can't play the song what she want. She need it.
Huh?
No, she needs to say dog teeth in her blood clot mouth. Me go look over Taspend if them have no dog and bone over blood clot Spanish town, where them can take out the teeth and give it to dirty blood clot Puss.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's what we want to do. And you know how we are play over here? How are the baboon, ya man, the cartoon, ya man?
Oh, she over there, the park.
We are playing with the baboon, ya man, the cartoon, ya man, that's the way we never drink the blood clot rum cream. Man, you never drink the rum cream. When we nice some boy.
If she did show herself.
Yeah, we have to get to like all them. Say, come on, the world knows a Fretdem married. You see the picture already. But now, if you come out, my husband. People, you know, say people were married in a real life. No, get up on a top.
Oh, we don't need
yes, we are going over dirty Taspend. We are going over Taspend. Fabulous said, no, we have to go over Taspend. My God, my sister said, no bun dog, no blood clot over there.
Talk truth, no?
That's supposed to push all right, man. Push you sit down right there, bubble. Sit. Sit, we are dealing with the blood clot, baby alligator them. The hard blood clot fierce woman. Osha 8 blood clot sandals. You know what you need to do? You need to go get some apple cider with some warm water and 2 rusty nail and stand some baking soda and try to pressure your blood clot face. You hear me? Woman, go on to the doctor, go take them bunny and the half of your bumper blood clot foot because all the cook, you are cook. Me no see where the food are go. I don't see where the food are go. That's why
She
you
said we
send me a
can't feed
pipe.
the pitney.
I like she a blood clot because she don't see your dumpling big, red big, Rihanna the only one the blood clot see me slim.
Hey,
Joshua
good
big
eyes.
heaven.
Me
Girl,
send,
in America people
me
can't
don't
blood
know if
clot
me send it, because me send it come give a couple of people.
You understand? Girl, you don't have a man. You have somebody where come fuck you every now and then like the whore that you are and give you a little something. You don't have no man. Girl, me see you have to fix the basement. You have to go food shopping. You have to do every blood clotting. One lady blaze. You understand? Can I eat me tired of your dirty blood clot, man? You come like waste of space. Stop calling me blood clot. You want me tired of me. Why you fighting? Why come fight you? So when the place up, I'm going to show you me I come over there for you. Watch me your blood clot.
Man, she for go man.
Shall I go
Woman,
see?
woman plant herself. Big up yourself, real. She plant herself far away.
She not plant herself on me. Not me, sister. Not me. Not me. Oh, my baby, them a do. Not blood clot me. That girl can't plant herself on me. No way,
She waste her
Jose.
time because I be a fake story she come with.
Yeah, because she not no story. Me still away upon the gorilla to drop out the baboon immigration papers. I know she can't come with it. She said she go drop out candy thing she can't come with it. Lady, that's leave me the fuck alone, man.
I don't understand. The woman said, because she over there now, she talk about Munchie and Calvin war. Like when them did a war. And she talk all of the war with them a war. Bitch. So all you see you never depend fucking Instagram.
Right, but that's what, girls, pause right there, so sister. Sister, remember, right? Remember Black China, Lady C, all of them. Why you think say no? Nobody don't want to deal with her. Because the people them might listen to what she said and realize what she says it make no sense. You are the fucking only Canadian that cannot fucking speak proper English. I don't get it, bro. I don't get it. I don't understand this shit.
No worry. If 2 years pass and she not come up, something she can't come up back.
Exactly, so, but she still have some more time. She have until January 24th next year.
2022. January 2022. Everybody knows say I want daughter candy have two blood clot.
No, it's just like how she go per stamp page. Oh, stamp can't feed that pity them. You know, see the baby big and blood clot bougie. I say, look what this man, I say, my niece, me I go for us, but me have one of them slippers, them my niece can be bougie more than me. She right.
She said, me and you can't feed the pitney and we not use the food. She said, we argue about food. What does she always
First of all, girl, that two fridge me having a Bible video my fridge. The last time I remember RT tell me say I'm gonna carry me, I'm gonna call FBI for me, oh me have so much food in my house. Girl, please. Food is blood clot, come on assault. As you can see, my husband him not stay far from the blood clot kitchen. Nowhere. Mr. Yeah, worry about me. Worry about your blood clot, dirty stinking hole. Why you don't worry about your fatherless kids? You have Gia that's fatherless. Tejuan or Tajuan, wherever I'm one name, them 3 blood clot people that is fatherless. Like me say, every life you have, we have the life too. When you dep on life, me dep on life too. Bitch, me have a blood clot, 1 room with bathroom and a little living room and a piece of kitchen for your blood clot page. So when you like me, just cock up and I watch and I say, look at this. Look at this, oh. What is it now? What is it now she want to do this, so? Tell me, why did you take down the video where you make a blood clot night for 4 hours? Girl, we have the video. We have all of the video, all the way you have one with. But you have to say, because me have to go find the blood clot Shireen girl.
We have to go find for Shireen because video. She threatened the girl and the liar.
Yeah, she threatened the girl and the blood clot liar. So guess what? Me now stop look for every Shireen. Remember the picture where you have? Where you say, What your blood clot say, what you call it? What Josh?
She too fucking lie. She's a problem. You know, a big pussy. Erica and Puss go for this dirty woman.
Big
Over
blood
the
clot,
internet.
green giant, big marble, yeah, blood clot. Erica, me say you stay bad in Jersey. You live in Irvington, New Jersey. Me say you stay bad. Erica, me say you pass UPS truck right now to blood clot. Yeah, me say you pass blood clot UPS truck now. Your big ass stink na blood clot.
Trap to that have a big size 14 foot. Bad. And them dirty people there. You understand? Come and argue with nice, decent woman. Every time Erica right up. Oh, telling a young boy I don't want your bitch. Me tell them I want a young blood
But
clot,
that,
man.
nobody no want her. Now it's telling you tell Joshua come home. Huh?
She never jump for a young boy.
Go put that under the step for me. Cause Papa gonna need that. Take it out, don't make it make a mess. Just leave your shoe right there, then. No, they you take it upstairs later. Yeah. Not a stinking blood clot, ugly girl. But say it hurt her off, you see. Don't play. No, I said under the step there in the basement. And when you come, I bought you these bags. You can come and get them. Yeah. Dirty blood clot, pussy Erica. I say, me know say Erica just stop up a fake page from blood clot Kingston. Child, that's what me I say food. She said food. Oh, she remember she said me not have no job. Oh, me not feel have no blood clot job. Oh, me not feel have no job. Remember, you have a piece of big old ugly blood clot van where you drive, you know. That's why you can't show the Porsche. Oh, you show your grocery out. Grocery out, people, grocery out. Oh, you show your blood clot grocery. Right? Oh, yeah, show the key thing. Oh, yeah, show another. Remember, you used to show the people them big white blood clot house. I want to you get caught there, come talk about. At least me live somewhere. Me, yeah, tell me say my blood clot house small and you don't know in my house. Me live in a 5 blood clot house, bedroom house.
I be a shit, the dirty girl chat. I be a fuck Chrissy chat.
Yeah.
She turned immigration now.
Yeah, but that's we. That's take your shoes off. Huh? Because now look. Yeah, mine. You don't like this one, do you? A little bit? Why? Because you could put your phone in it? Yeah. Yeah, look a suck with blood clot, dirty, stinky, nasty. What the fuck? You gonna break everything? It doesn't matter. That's why you already know. Wrap up the string down before you pass.
She not showing a porch. She not on a blood clot porch. Yeah, the woman I see you.
Porch about dirty blood clot pussy.
Y'all are suffer. The girl only can't buy.
Hello, remember the big van what she have? The van what she did do the live in her sister what she come talk about. Run up. Tell me where to meet you. Blood clot. And you Eben 4221. You know, say me not like you from long time too. But you just sit your ass there and just you can't eat Eben. The woman me say chin blood clot Allen. Oh, you never tell me say we blood clot husband I did that pussy and I need her. Chin come here straight here. So my other sister laugh here. Say, hey, sit down. Yes, the girl have to bow down to Evan. She don't know Evan you have to bow down to. Chin, sit down right here, so Chin. Your sister for all these years. I'm blood clot Tiffany. Sit down and come tell me because she said Tiffany look like she have a Tiffany a suck out for her pussy. Because I tell her yesterday no, all of my sister them come for subtract odd. We no come for subtract but minus no pussy a cocky we say. So me don't know who she say.
She's
yes,
sick.
The dirty ape. I come talk about Evan must dead. And this and that who dead? Our baby father. See that? Be careful what you wish for. You cannot touch what the Lord anointed. And that's what she doesn't seem to
Did you
understand.
say about me and Amanda?
Yeah, you can't
Amanda
touch what the
Fretdem.
Lord anointed. You have to be very careful what you say. See, Barry did what? Kali for dead, him granny dead. Oh, so yes. Come in, also me hear your husband in the background. Enough blood clot time when you're there on YouTube. And because you're there and make your money, and she can't see your page over YouTube and make money, she hurt. Can't bother with them girl, yeah. I talk about Tiffany. And let me show you how the girl lie. When you call the store, I ask the man if him have a daughter named Osha, dirty stinking Errol. Earl, Errol him name. Errol, one of them dirty name there. Say yes, him have a daughter named Osha. And then me say if you love your daughter, want your blood clot daughter. And then for years and years, people say she don't know nobody named Errol. But then she come out and claim say Chin gave me number to call her father. This is the reason why y'all gonna get tied up in a court. And me I go find that Shereen there. Me, I go find the Shereen. I think I find 2 Shereen, but them don't get back to me yet. Me, I go find that Shereen there. Because you hear everything what you say, or you threaten the Shereen, or you go do one bag of thing to the Shereen girl, me have it locked to blood clot. So Shereen, if you're on my page, please contact me. Evan 4321, if you know who is Shereen, tell her to contact me. Sucky. Everybody when they pan a page, if you don't know Sherry, tell her to contact me because I get I forgot jail. I be a blood clot threat cheetah make. Well on the so good Keke, me just see you send me a message. Just send me a message. Come over here, so. Come over here, so let me show you girl bad no blood clot. Come over here, so. Come over here, so don't send me no message in my inbox. Me dey on live.
What are we them over here watching us send Keke?
Yeah. Them send blood clot Keke.
You know, say fuck. So, you hear me? You put a thumbs up if you not hear me. Come in over me or a Fretdem. Okay, that means I Fretdem. Okay, I Fretdem. Yeah, dirty ear. Stop follow blood clot, me man. Where? Okay, so I Fretdem one ear. Let me tell you, so the woman 6 over there play him now left him now left. Like, this woman kill this blood clot parasite. People are war with her for you go. Eh? Like you got rich. You're war for you. You're desperate and blood. Hey, me coulda never. Yeah? A war with rallying family. Or any blood clot else man. Sister, when I hear you calling back. Any body man. Eh? A war with a man, sister and him mother. And spread blood clot rumors, call back sister. Eh? Oh. Eh? Wait, me make them start. You're sick in your blood clot head man, dirty girl.
I know the big blood clot, shelter back, brown barrel, blood clot, boy, we full up of shit like a blood clot.
Yeah, try that, me I say yours.
Keke, come tag me, see me tag you over here, so you say you're bad. Me know ya, boy, you come tag, but tag you, me tell you, say full up of blood clot, shit like crab. But tag you, me tell you, swear to God, chop me, I get the blood clot. Me go down in America, hey, you think you know who you play with? You think you know? Him live, him just a ring down my phone. Tell him come over here. Cause him block me off him live. 21. Big dirty blood clot, shelter back blood clot, Keke. Well, look like when you throw frag pan blood, salt pan frag, and them and melt the fuck away. Him have nothing girl about it. Nothing girl about the sad man blood clot. So come. Come, see me tell you how many times. But just tell us I'm there for life.
Come. Auntie.
Even 4321 telling
Nobody
somebody
want
he block me from over there. That is thinking leaky Batman. Tell you after me done the pan Destiny live. You know when Destiny call live me go. Or Emily them come live me go. Me there so Destiny go and fret them. Which fret them? The summary right and say me Keke the same blood clot fret them. Oh me know why you pan me live. So why know your blood clot calm my phone? Last night fret them if you're a bad girl join the live. And you know me that go join the live and bring you down in front of Destiny, in front of Emily. And what the other guy name? Be me? I mean, I remember what him name. Me that go bring you down for your own blood clot like, but because you know, me go rub and scrub out your dirty body. Keke you in your deep the blood clot. And your hood where you have, you know, circumcised a little nasty blood clot. Hood the way you have go suck your mother. Suck your blood clot, mother, and go away. That's what you have to do. If upon life, come. Send me be a message now, me Keke. Come.
Him should even trouble you, kind of trouble him.
Me not trouble him because Destiny I said something. Me could dirty blood clot. If boy remember you eat me because me have a real pussy. God give you exit if you use it as an entrance. Your body will drop down. And tell them you have on your blood clot. People the next long. And that is smooth no blood clot. Keke can't talk to me. You can't talk to me, you wide and stretch out the blood clot, wriggly diggly do, green gun, water, blood clot, old boy, you can't come talk to me. You old stretch out no blood clot, so you have to talk to me and me a real pussy. God give me exit and blood clot entrance, but he only give you an exit. You're nasty in a blood clot or something you're like, Keke, me now go stop rub out your blood clot. Me now go stop rub you.
True man. Talk to no share any man will bring down them mama. My pussy could have never jump for a man. We cussing mama like that.
Yeah, go over there, go tell somebody for me live. If a blood clot come over here, come out of my blood clot inbox. Oh, blood clot, boy, we are wearing frag part. Let me tell you, think it's a blood clot invitation me are giving. Look on the boy, I be a plastic in wear upon him bumbo blood clot head. Me could have never believe, say. The boy I wear so much plastic on his head.
Yeah, say she have. I saw you a big up. Wait there. Tanya Abe says she have vice note with you a big her up. Is this woman delusional? It's because you say she beat the gorilla and score her sister. She had try use it to say anything she.
Oh,
but that's
no,
bitch. What we heard me not big her up.
Hold on, let me answer them, sister. Me can't see the comment, but my sister, first of all, when tell you that scrub the blood clot, bitch. It was funny, but you never go all the way. You only take off the first layer, bitch. You have to go down to the blood clot bone. I saw you touch a girl. I saw you touch a blood clot, girl. Go down to the bone.
Yeah.
You have to touch a girl, you have to go down to the blood clot bone.
What bigger blood clot up?
Your blood clot.
Boy, that me say,
Know,
yes, she rub out. You only can rub out Puss. But you can't rub we up because we're not a friend or enemy.
Never that.
Move your blood clot.
Friend enemy. Never. Suck your mother.
Mad.
You do a blood clot a friend enemy. He over friend blood clot enemy. We not friend them kind of people here, boy. You never ever never blood clot will. So go suck your mother and go.
She delusional, no blood clot.
She more than blood clot delusional. She more than blood clot delusional.
Every time she come live and when, she got deactivate her page and she'll come back.
But remember, that's why the sister, why you remember say everybody not on our side. Dumpling, come here. Why you think nobody on the panel side? Everybody realize, oh, this lady say she's not on the internet. But remember, you know, when Mary this start, you know, what you call it, big dirty stinking grizzly bear. When grizzly bear this start, grizzly bear, nobody never depend on blood clot, what you call it, Instagram. Facebook was the shit.
Yeah.
Facebook was morning, noon, and night.
Man.
And lately people start come up on Instagram because Instagram a pop like a popcorn and a pop like a girl jazz string. So when she say she knew about Amari, everybody have to say about
where you say Evan, Keke there? See Keke
so good blood clot, big back blood clot, Keke.
But me not see him.
Keke, me want to put in a pressure cooker and pressure your blood clot. You see how your big and blood clot shape? You shape like them big dirty jumper truck at Jamaica. You come talk about me. Keke, remember you call me blood clot name to get a stripe off of me. You can't get a blood clot stripe off of Fretdem. Keke, when I reach America, you link me get to chop up your blood clot. Keke, me have my cutlass and wait for you. Me not have no blood clot acid because I can't get acid to free out of any car blood clot battery. You're big dirty stinky tunnel old blood clot Keke. Boy, we have to say blood clot but if you're living can't talk to me. Me have a pussy under me and I eat your eat me for. Keke, me see you walk naked the blood clot and your hood look like them nasty blood clot worm there. Tell you what you call them worm there Jamaica like when it rain in the countryside you see them nasty looking worm always a move a certain hood look. Keke,
Earthworm.
Yeah,
earthworm.
You to me easy by the blood clot. Why? Keke, if you are 31 and you look like so kiss my blood clot, that means me have to go start telling people say me 20. Keke, my ear jump off a calendar, enough, long blood clot time.
So Keke.
Long blood clot time. It's so good.
What you mean by you not join the live?
Why you not?
Why you Keke? Come on.
Eh? Why you
Come on,
Keke? You should have
Keke.
add me to your blood clot live. Let me rub and scrub you over there. And
Good.
destiny, let me blood clot come over there. So good, boy. Remember, you so good and lick out back if your blood clot living. AIDS body, hepatitis B, C, and D, drunk crop. You can't talk to good girl. Anytime your blood come clean,
Yeah,
come
see.
argue with me. Anytime your blood come blood clot clean, come argue with me. No wriggly diggly blood clot do, Batman can't argue with a real woman. Shot me a bus up under your blood clot.
Why am no problem with you?
Yeah, last time I up on Destiny page, I come talk about the real Fretdem. I act like say me not type it. Pussy and me are the only blood clot Fretdem you know around ya. Remember you come start war with me when you're there at Jamaica. Cause you want a blood clot name. And I come talk about you rub and scrub me. No, you rub and scrub out your body wall in Mexico. And that's how your blood clot up on the corner. Pussy enter your return and United States, California. Then you call me and say me no drive. Say me no drive, come chop up your blood clot, pussy wall. Let me know which part of Mexico you're there. I swear to God, the two little Mexican when me work with, me nah lie. Me that blood clot, give them $1,000 for lick off your blood clot head in Mexico. Deep tunnel blood clot, batty old boy. We are going and I infect the blood clot place with AIDS. Can't talk to me dirty batty man.
You remember when him did? You remember when him did cuss you for
Amari. So that time why you say you wig Amari we are the dirty boy. So I'm like I'll show you.
What a problem now? What a problem now?
The problem with dirty Keke last night I'm over there Destiny Emily. Emily, me don't know if you know about this. You see this? One time I never bothered this damn Keke. Right? And I used to curse out Amari because Amari used to fucking disrespect me. Right? Same Amari were out there cursing and thing. Right? The same Amari.
We attack.
Amari was say your pussy jinx, Amari man. As you have
Oh yeah, Amari was playing the music them.
Yes. So me I tell her this about a couple of years ago, right? Keke come at me for no fucking reason, Emily. No fucking reason. I never bother this bitch. Never say nothing to this fucking whore. But them have a name. So I'm gonna come on Fretdem. So me and him was going back and forth for like a couple of times, and then I'm like, bitch, you in Jamaica, I'm in America. When you get to America, talk to me. So me and you and my cutlass can't talk, or you and my gun can't talk. Any one of them, or the knife, any one of them, but you're too far. So me not in an argument. Last night when I was on the page, it was because of destiny. You understand what I'm saying? It was because of destiny came on the live. But you know when somebody come on the live, you end up, you could see the live. So when Destiny said hi, I was like, hey, Destiny. Then he gonna be like, what Fretdem this? They said, I Fretdem this. So I said, yeah, the same Fretdem. And then I put LOL. Then that's when he blocked me. Don't fucking block me and then you talk shit to me, my nigga. Bring me on the live and then make me you go back and forth. Oh, that's a bad guy. Because right now, Emily, I could have swear to God Keke was in America. I thought this bitch was in America, California, because I swear to God, I jump in my motherfucking car and start driving. Bitch, you don't know, I got a fucking psycho.
You love drive, though, Fretdem. Mighty God of Daniel. Fretdem love drive.
Destiny, no, I just like all the pussy one.
Yeah, hold on there.
I just like
Fretdem, you have to stop this thing now.
No, me not give a fuck. America can't do me. America go do me. Lock me up. Most of the time me get locked up. Jesus Christ. Trust me, me no mind get a vacation now. Yeah. Girl,
I don't know why Keke attack you, car.
Yeah,
Not trouble him.
Me not bother. Me not blood clot. Me never see it. Sometimes me over there I'll sit down on the big dirty blood clot sour girl page. I watch a big dirty sour girl. I when you over there that go back and forth and I walk with it naked. If me didn't want to bother the drunk me, that go report the video on the page. I wasn't bothering it. I never bother her. I never bother her. She just too much. Too much I go like say somebody bother. I never bother you, girl. I never bother you. Don't do that. Don't do that. I never bother her. I mean, I know she just come out and bother me. I mean, never bother the blood clot. Hello, me suck my Keke, me suck my mother and get blood clot milk. You suck yours and get corruption. That's why your big ass tear son of blood clot.
Sister, me add him, because I'm for add him.
Add him.
Yeah.
Make it show IG so you can't see the cover my life. Make it show IG so you can't see the cover my life.
Look, I follow Razima look. Let me tell you, say, follow Razima look. It me can't trace. Oh, Jesus. Me not done destiny. Me not done because me never see the dirty blood clot. And last time I go over there because of you. Yes, so you're in a LA, we're in a LA. Drop the blood clot location. Keke, I fucking dare you to drop that location. That's all I'm saying. Keke, I fucking dare you. If your name is Keke, blood clot, bagger, drop the address. I said Keke, drop the blood clot address. If I you name Keke, bagger, drop it. If I union blood clot, Keke, bagger, drop it.
Hey, Keke, tough still, you know.
Yeah, no. Mother, you know, join girl life. So why you must join for your life? Yeah, Batty blood clot, boy. Me not join Batty boy life. Me join nice blood clot girl life, like Destiny life, Emily life. Me join them like, yeah, Batty blood clot, boy. You know you're deep no blood clot. Every night you the road, I run out, I burn out your blood clot, Batty like old car tire. You can't talk to me. Oh, you have to do it. Why you do it, drunk?
Yes, you know, Fretdem.
No, she should just come there. You know, she should just come Destiny. I tell me must come in our life. Why last night before you block me, you never come for your life? Because I clouch you look from ears and ears. Let me tell you, Destiny. Omari used to come.
What the problem now? You never.
You're Emily, you're done them, right? So imagine now, Tanya would have come on your life, right? And I said, Keke, Tanya just come out and
All right, let me explain now. What you're trying to say now, all right. Like Destiny go on the live and through you follow Destiny. When Destiny go on the live, you can see it because Destiny you follow, so you go come on like I said Destiny can live. Right? Yeah.
And then when I was over there last night, he stopped. But I wanted you to know where this was coming from. I think it was like 2018. Keke just started cursing me for no fucking reason. No reason. All because, every day you come on live and I cuss people and bagger. What the fuck do you mean? You sound illiterate as fuck because now you coming to cuss me for what? You don't make no blood clot sense. So me and him was going back and forth. I said to him, cuss him. I said to one day, you don't hear from him no more. When we see Keke, them say Keke, they are California. I'm like, which California? America, California. Somebody said, no, I'm Mexico, California. So I'm like, all right, I ain't got no fucking time for this bullshit. So last time when we did on the live, I saw it come out, I know we are fucking black me. You should have added me to the blood clot live and said, Fretdem, if you're about to join this blood clot, I said, me not join it. I don't want to catch him with my blood clot cutlass and I'm going to take out some acid out of one battery. Yeah, let's have a blood clot battery in my thing. You, when you're lashy by J, pick a accent, go suck your mother. Me a Jamaican accent, American accent, and the bomber blood tube. Tanya black that person, yeah. Blacky.
No black nobody, Tanya.
No, Tanya,
No black
my
nobody.
sister, I
In
like
town.
Destiny. My sister have to listen. Black it, sister. Lashy, yeah, suck your mother. Me can use any accent, we are black it. Use any
You make sense
accent
of black. Them.
Yeah. Try to black a girl, not accent. Do you want to black the person in case they make any other PH? So I saw it blood clot. Me never see Keke.
They black every page.
Yeah, black every blood clot page. So when you black one girl page, you can black every page.
Any page will make with your
the same
phone, the
IME
IP.
number. Yeah, the IP address and the IME number, yeah. I never see the girl. I never see this blood clot.
I look at Paris, me a drink for strength in my body.
Hello, go and drink for your yeah.
You know, I love Keke toughness still.
Keke bigger.
No, like, I'm a dolly. I'm a dolly, Tanya, I'm a dolly. I just want to come.
Me like Keke still, you know, you can't watch. Sorry, say, ain't come have a go.
You man Fretdem catch up. You understand you, Tanya.
But me never do him nothing. Me never do him nothing. You did over there last time, Emily. Me never do the drugs or nothing. You should have add me to the live. Add me to the live. Keke
Just don't mama, don't auntie. Yeah, bad bitch, Dali I tell her for them. You know, bad bitch I tell her for them. Yeah, bad bitch I tell her for them.
Okay, I just like
yeah,
I just look me and Cave go down the road. If me go over little Cave live is a problem. Like leave me the fuck alone. And Destiny live make me come over there.
About Jav.
Oh, me can't tell you but somebody will just stay over there so. Tell Jav at the
dirty
time
Jav come cuss me. I mean I do dirty Jav no.
Jav body will have frat like blood clad frog mouth. Jav if you take out the frat out time body will and go give it to some ghetto girl to wash them blood clad clothes because it comes
Jav know who's upset.
Auntie I'm pin Keke name.
Jav know say I went name him upset with Emily, and that's why I'm wrong about my argument, cause him have a page on here where say what Batty mix up, and he come over and a class, and I say, and a class Emily, and I say, why me get Emily involved in a real woman something that so come now, it press the live, and the big so good swine.
Where you going?
Go up on the live and then job start cuss. I mean I say, but me not do job nothing. Me not trouble job.
Oh, you're not arguing with him. Those are my
argument.
These bitches is in my fucking country. And I'm gonna show. Tell Job whenever you're ready, just drop that Bronx address, bitch. We could meet up on Gun Hill Road right by the fucking train station where your man loves to sleep.
Stop
fucking playing with me, bitch.
My kids
Stop
have done
with me. And
it.
Job, remember, you is gonna take you time come to me, bitch. I 100 and 120 me I do for the blood clot highway for come for you. Fuck you come talk about. Boy, you talk about you go over there in a puss make you come in a real argument. But no, because you didn't see Emily why your skin I get hot.
Yeah. Emily I give Job headache.
Emily get a sleepless night. That's why they don't want Emily come and fire. Emily need to take himself from them bumble and start say fire me you want come. That's what you need to do, Emily. Take yourself and say fire me you want come. Take your little self and say fire me. I go come here. Firing.
God will help him, man. He will come. You know, so one by one, everybody will come.
One by one, but he need to start separating himself. Every time when you start to separate yourself, and some more blessing are going to come in. Because sometimes some
One
people
woman tell me that I'm out there this morning.
all right, so you
The
see,
Yeah.
same thing I tell me.
all right. No, but do certain things. You say you're a fucking
Huh?
girl now. Stop with certain things. Act fucking girly, man.
So you look
No.
at a friend too?
Trust me, I look at go down the road already. I mean, I look at come back up and then we go down again and come back up and now
We
we
need to check
the
it out.
side and side. Yeah. For the same mama.
Mm.
Yeah.
What?
Now look at go down that road, go down to blood clot. And we come back up. And you know what time me talk to
Then
little Kev, I want to see him. I
spirit.
want to make the boy chop off his finger. I used to say, little Kev, stop in a certain things. Just say you're a fucking woman, act like a fucking woman. And let me tell him that's why I'm not gonna respect you because you can't say you're a girl and you're girly and you do manly things. I don't have time for that. If you're a girl, you dress up your blood clot self like you, Emily. All you need to do when you hear people in your baga, starting today, starting for your birthday coming up, make your new birthday, make you be a changed person. When you hear them attack, you just say, you know what? My goal right now, blood clot
Hi,
find me and reach.
Shantana.
Find
Yeah,
me
man.
and reach.
The too much negativity. Yeah,
Yeah.
Emily will
I'm
hold you
telling you, you
back.
remember? We see girl where used to be a Spain, they are blood clot Bronx now. Hey, look at Najee. Them can't talk to Najee, a blood clot. Them bad man Najee, I said Najee, they not gonna go nowhere. Kiss me blood clot. Me surprised to see Najee is in the Bronx. In a body anthem. So you have to just take out your little self, Emily, get your little money where you get. If you find a
True,
white man where you
sister.
can duck him and blood
She
clot,
fought
trick him and make
Keke
him
funny,
come and
man.
Jamaica. Yeah.
When Keke a dance, you know, Keke dance different.
She dance. I love
She
Keke.
can't dance like
Keke my doll. I
She can't
know
dance
Fretdem
like
like her.
No.
Let me tell you this,
And you know
Tanya.
Fretdem is
Shanta
Bianca, you
Powell,
see
what
me
you
so
mean?
good that
Me
I
know,
know
me
her
know you have a
Card.
love
Add you to
team,
the
but you just
card.
straight upset. You understand? Because the way all the argument come off, you just upset. But me know you love her.
No, me no love her. Me maybe like her a little bit. Me want to tell her go suck her mother. Me no big friend from no girl, no
Jesus
boy.
have mercy.
Blood clot,
Dear Fretdem,
Quincy, I
it's
say
terrible, you
Quincy
know.
love. When Quincy go over there, she
But
cat, blood clot,
the
cat,
first time I in the trouble, Fretdem, and him come back, come trouble her again.
Exactly. And that's what I want you to understand in your destiny. The first time I never do you nothing. If me want to go up online, go curse out somebody. Why is it that you coming to curse me to say be too bad? Person that don't have education
Yes,
will say
sure.
those things.
I eat a mad berry.
Yeah. Najee soon getting chip tooth blood clot fix. Yeah, Najee, I saw. Yo, Destiny, I saw you must take time and creep and come in America. When you come in America, just make sure you have enough where you say me, ooh, you can't bounce it in the hotel for a couple of nights. Now hotel, you can do a look of motel because you know you're in a hotel. Yeah. And when you come to America, don't make them drunk or they know.
Destiny will make it. Destiny will make it, because Destiny a good girl.
I'm here talk about you to Emily. You need to step for yourself and start say, yo, I want to go one different foreign country, but I want to see about my money. Find a little white man and start tricking blood clot and making come to Jamaica, you rob him, maybe blood clotting, and then find a new one again. Just not stop. Thing, so you have to bump it. Said you Emily don't want to take heed and leave them bagga blood clot people. You remember all of them in another country, leave them alone. Everybody in another country still say I am by, but just keep your finger crossed and say, Papa Jesus are firing me. Want go? Me no care which one of the foreign country. Just let me go somewhere where me can help myself. That's if it depend Emily. Meds that. No, still like some people, they are blood clot foreign and come a foreign and talk about so they might live good life. I have water back up and shower. Jesus Christ, stop it. Not in
Mighty
America.
God.
Them have wash off for 9, them have shower head for 9.99. The most
Lord,
the cheapest one is
Fretdem really drink a
9.99.
dragon.
I didn't even drink a dragon. I love some rum cream. Baby must need to rub. No,
Mighty
I'm
God.
upset. I'm
Please
upset when
start
you
for the
don't
people
bother
now
them.
on the shower. It's a buckle for me.
Yeah, the dirty shower is the buckle for me, honey. And the other one was them I live good life. I don't even have a Badddd. Stop it, my dog have a Badddd. We just put up my dog bed. Dog have a Badddd, yeah. Max and Root have Badddd. No, just to me eat when they just bagga Emily. Listen to what me say. Listen to what Tanya said. Take time and lift up yourself from them. Because if not, me I tell you. Them a demon, yeah. Everybody already a demon, but them are turning in a more blood clot demon every night because guess what? When them not happy, then come up here and call your name. Today, me I watch, I see all this one year right. Hepatitis A, B, and blood clot C plus AIDS. Jesus